This could very well be an online moneymaker's best friend. I'm going to talk about it today, but before I do, I'll tell you that I know someone who uses this and makes at least $10,000 per month with it. You can use it too, and now I'm going to tell you what it is. It's called PLR, also known under the name Private Label Rights, which doesn't say anything to me. You may have heard white labels, and that's what it is. PLR, or white label products, are products you can use as your own. You can and should change them a bit and then add your name to it, and then you can use it as far as the rules will allow you. And I'll show you those in a minute. And then you can use it either to give away to get a new person onto your email lists or as a follower or whatever you want, or you can even sell it. The marketer I just told you about, who makes $10,000 per month, he uses it to sell. But let's look at what PLR looks like in real life. So I found a place where you can actually get it for free, but I'll talk more about that later. So there are several topics in here, and one of them is list building. And under list building, you have some tools that you can use to build a list related to this product. Like I said, I'll tell you more about this later. Today, we're only looking at what PLR is and how you can use it. So there are these guides down here that you can download. You simply click download and then you got it. And I've downloaded one, all of them in fact, already. So I'm going to show you what's inside. So here's a folder I've downloaded it to, and it's one of those zipped files you see here. There are different, I showed you there were different ones, and here I'm going to take the newbies focusing guide, because a lot of beginners and more experienced marketers have a problem with focus. So I'm going to open the folder and show you what's inside. Let me make this bigger. There we are. So there's actually an MP4 file in this one. It's a recording of two people talking, and this guide here is a transcript of what's going on in the video. Let me show you. This is not typical for PLR. It's different what you'd find inside. This one in fact comes as a video, or rather an audio file with a picture, and then the transcription over here. A lot of PLR comes also with a doc file or a text file, and also like here as a PDF file. PDF is this kind of document that you can read with Acrobat, what's it called, Adobe Acrobat or Acrobat Reader. This is how it looks inside. In this case, it's a transcript of a webinar, and you can see the names of the two speakers here. Now, when you have PLR like this, then you will need to copy it so you can change it, or you can simply write on your own the content of this, make a summary, or you can even copy it and ask AI to help you with the summary. I don't like to use AI for writing myself, other than if I dictate and then let it write, because it does that very well. So once you have rewritten this, or at least tweaked it a lot and made it yours, so you leave out those names here, for example, very often you'll know that you are not allowed to use the names of the creators. And that's what I talked about when you have the rights for the files. So let's look at how such a PLR license can look. I'm going to open this one. And they will be different from PLR product to PLR product. You will always get a PLR license, and it will, if you're buying PLR, it will also be on the sales page what you're allowed to do. In this case, it can be given away as is on your squeeze pages in exchange for opt-in. That means you cannot just give it away. You need to let people fill in their email address, perhaps even their name. I prefer to have their name too, so they can opt in, and then after they've opted in, they can get this free report. Yes, it can be and should be edited, modified, or combined. That means you can combine more than one piece of PLR. You could, in fact, combine all these in one big PLR report. I don't recommend it, make it short, but you could do it. It's allowed according to this license. You can claim authorship of text files. You cannot do it of the video files in this case, or audio. It can be added to your download page or membership sites. It can be used as content for marketing map, and this is special for this PLR because it's made for you to use to promote this specific product, but all that can be found in your PLR license. You can also put it into smaller pieces and use that. You cannot use the names Omar Martin, Melinda Martin, or Higher Level Strategies. That is a very common thing. The author of the product will normally not allow you to use their name. Why not? I wondered about that for years, but that's because, say you bought PLR from me and you used my name on it, Britt Malka, and you sold it as an ebook, and one of your customers had a problem with it. When you sell it after you bought the rights to it, you keep 100% of the profit. So say this customer of yours saw my name inside and said, okay, I'll ask Britt Malka how I do this and that, which the person couldn't figure out, and then contacts me, then I would need to use my time and my support desk to help that person. That wouldn't be fair, because if you had bought the PLR license and made 100% of the commission, then it's up to you to give support. That's why people don't allow, in general, others to use their real name in the PLR products that you create. You cannot use images that looks like any of those. You cannot sell or give away PLR rights. That means you can sell or give away the content itself, but you cannot allow other people to use it as PLR. You don't have the right for that. It cannot be launched as its own product, even if modified. This is also a very special one. It's not one I see frequently. In fact, it's the first time I see it. So you cannot make an offer on one of the big platforms and say, this is my product, I'm going to sell it. You can only use it as is or as modified to get an opt-in and promote MAP with it. Where did we go? You cannot pass on the source files. Those are only for you to modify. And the source files in this case was these two, the MP4 audio file with a picture and the transcript of this file. And you should always look at the included license rights before you do anything, because you could get in trouble if you use PLR wrong. If you use it right, it could be your moneymaker's best friend online, because it will save you time. You won't have to do the research to come up with your own, in this case, opt-in report, or what we would call it, a lead magnet or freebie to give away. Everything is done for you in here. You just need to change it and make it your own, add your own personality to it, because that's what will help your future subscribers decide whether or not to buy through your link, even if you're an affiliate, because it does depend on trust. Let me give you an example. I looked at a product yesterday. I found it very interesting, so I tried it out. I tested it for myself and I ran into a problem. There was missing information in this ebook. So I contacted the author of it, but he still hasn't given me a reply. I saw another affiliate promote it, and I know now that this affiliate hasn't gone through the product. I know now that I cannot trust anything this affiliate promotes because who knows if it works or not. Trust is very important when it comes to making money online, and that is why it matters that you add your personality to everything you write, even included PLR products that you get to use as is. Change them first, add your humor, your stories, your background to it, and make it your own. In the next video, I'm going to talk more about how you can use this particular PLR to make a lot of money, maybe even $10,000 a month. We'll get to that next week. Until then, behave and be nice.